Welcome back. Now there are a few other important aspects of the file menu. If you go all the way down to the left side and you click on this options link, it's a good idea to go through each menu and familiarize yourself with each aspect. For example, one aspect in particular, inside of the save command, you'll notice that you can have your documents auto-saved every 10 minutes, which is the default, or you can reset it to another time level if you like. What this does is it keeps a version of your document if you close the document without saving it. And so you can get access to the work that you've done up until 10 minutes if for some reason your computer shuts down or you forget to save. And you can designate where that document is going to be saved here in this area. And going back to the general area, one of the things you'll notice is that since Microsoft purchased the LinkedIn social network, you now have integration between LinkedIn and Microsoft Office. And you'll be able to do this inside of Word by making sure that this box is enabling that process. Now you'd probably have to do this only once when you begin working with Word, but it's a good idea to go through each level to determine which of these options are going to be most fitting to what you're doing with Microsoft Word. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.